Hello, welcome to Mudgar Club. I am Anjit Suhag, a traditional equipment practitioner, and I have been teaching since last 2 years as well. And before that, I used to teach yoga. And I'm the founder of Mudgar Club as well. And you must have seen our episode on Shark Tank India. The main purpose of starting Mudgar Club was to spread this traditional equipment practice again to the society and to craft the really good quality wooden products with the real wood. About the products, we are really improving day by day and making our products better with the real wood. And about the spreading of this practice, the teaching part is really important. And I have been teaching since last 2 years in the online classes, and normally I take the Mudgar classes only. But recently I have noticed one thing, that our society need more teachers of this traditional equipment if we really want to spread this practice in a faster way. And or we need some serious practitioner of Mudgar, Gada or Persian meals, and for that we have decided to start a level 1 certificate course in which we will teach the Mudgar and Shena Pushup Board or Takte Shena practice, not in a normal way, but we will try to go in proper depth of the history, the technical part, and definitely the practice as well of Mudgar and Shena Pushup Board. We will learn few basic swings or intermediate swings as well with the Mudgar, and we will learn how to use the Takte Shena or Shena Pushup Board in the right tradition way. In this level 1 certificate course, we are going to keep it 4 weeks long, and total we will have 20 classes in this, and each class will be 60 to 90 minutes long, and classes will be Monday to Friday. Definitely we are going to keep the weekend off. We will have two timings of our classes, one in the morning at 6:30 a.m. and one in the evening at 6 p.m. And if you miss any class, then you can join the another class. If you are in morning class, then you can join the evening class, or whatever time suits you, you can join one timing of the class. Or if you miss the both classes, then definitely we are gonna share the recording of each and every class. But there is one condition: if you miss any live class, then we are not gonna give you the certificate. To get the certificate of the course, you will have to join all the 20 classes consistently for 4 weeks. And if you complete your course properly without missing any class, then we will send you a certificate of completion on your email and a physical copy as well of the certificate. So if you are someone who really want to learn the depth of this practice, especially these two equipment, or if you want to be a teacher, if you are already teaching something else as a physical practice and you want to add this equipment as your new skill, then this course is for you. But if you are someone who just want to try something new, or just want to learn the very basics of this equipment, then we share the recorded classes. Whoever buy our products, or even if you are not buying our products, we still can share you our recorded courses without any money. But this course is gonna be for some serious people only, and we are gonna keep the limited seats for this course, which will be maximum 50 students we will take in each and every batch. And every month we will start a new batch of this level 1 certificate course, and definitely no new student can join in between the batch. So you will have to wait for the new date of the batch and join in that. So for the fee structure, we are keeping two fee structure, one with the equipment, in which it will be 12,500 rupees plus 18% GST, because we live in India and we have to pay to government. So in this fee structure, you will get one Mudgar, one Shena Pushup Board, and definitely the 4 weeks course, which will be online on the Zoom. And if you are someone who has already have a Mudgar and Shena Pushup Board, then you can pay only the course fee, which will be 7,500 plus 18% GST. For the man, we will send you around 5 kg Mudgar, and for the woman, we will send you around 3 kg Mudgar. And Shena Pushup board length will be dependent on your height, definitely. So if we will send according to your gender or according to your height the equipment. So if you are someone who wants to learn this practice in depth, then join this course. And if you still have any question, you can contact us and we will be very happy to resolve your queries. So see you in the class. Thank you.